Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to fix Instagram live option not showing. Now, there are several methods in order to fix this issue. The first option is to simply open your Play Store or App Store, whether you are using an Android or an iPhone. Then you should search for an Instagram application and make sure you have the latest updates. So I'm going to click on Instagram, then I'm going to click on update if I have an update. So this is the first option. Now, the second option that you can actually do is to go to the settings. Then you need to go to apps or manage apps. Then you should search for the Instagram application. So here I have it. Then you can clear the data. Go and click on the storage, clear the data, click on clear the cache, then click on OK. Then try to see if the issue is fixed or not. That was the first and second method. Okay, now let's jump into the third method. The third method is to simply go uninstall the application, then reinstall it again. That was the third method. The fourth method is to simply go and open Instagram itself, then go and click on your profile picture and go and click on these three lines on the top right side. Scroll down until you find here the help section or more info and support. Click on the help option, then go and click on report a problem. Then you should click on report problem without checking, include and continue. And now you will have to explain to them what is actually your problem. So here I will tell them in brief that I have a problem that I do not have the live option. It is not showing, it is not displayed, so that they will understand my problem. Then I'm gonna click on the send button on the top right side and you're all done. Now I have shown you 4 methods. After each method, you should check if you have your problem fixed or not. And you should also try them in order as mentioned in the video. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.